Una ko pong introduce si Sir Anton. Sir Anton, busy siguro siya. Okay. Ngayon po kung si Sir Paul po ang ating unang pagpe-present sa atin. Sir Paul is currently staying in London for 26 years na po siya sa London, no? Nurse by profession, pero meron po siyang another na ginagawa. Meron po siyang business na ginagawa, and he is entrepreneur and is a founder of the Driver's Legacy, no? A good presenter at saka a good business person as well. Okay. So, help me welcome po ang ating presenter ngayong gabi, Sir Paul De Guzman. Please help me welcome po. Sir Paul, the floor is yours po. Thank you.
Thank you very much po, Tita Glo, for that very kind introduction. Before I proceed, i-mute ko po muna kayong lahat, no, para hindi po tayo magulo. During the presentation, you won't be able to interact with me or to Tita Glo. But don't worry, by the end of the presentation, we will unmute everyone and give you the chance to ask any questions that you may have, as long as it's about the about the information na ipe-present namin sa inyo, no? Nakita nyo na po yung short video kanina before we started, so more or less some of you would have an idea, no, about this business opportunity, but hihimayin po natin yan, no? Papaliwanag ko po sa inyo in the simplest way as possible para maintindihan po natin lahat at magkaroon tayo ng tamang information so that we can make an informed decision regarding this business opportunity, no? Just to introduce myself further, ako po isang nurse by profession, 26 years na pong naninirahan at nagtatrabaho dito sa UK bilang nurse. But on the side, I'm also a financial advisor, specializing in protection, no, or yung mga insurance needs, kumbaga. Nagbebenta po ako ng mga insurance like life insurance, critical illness insurance, accident insurance, including home insurance na rin, no. So, hindi lang po ako nag-stick dun sa pinag-aralan ko ng 4 years. I also try to look for other options para kumita ng extra income, di ba? I also ventured into a franchise business sometime in 2017. I bought a franchise of the biggest sushi kiosk here in Europe, no? So I own a sushi shop inside one of the top grocery or supermarket here in London. But unfortunately, during the pandemic, I could not possibly physically manage the business. So I had to end my contract with the franchise owner, no? So kahit kumikita naman yung negosyo, hindi apektado ng pandemic dahil everybody still goes to the supermarket, di ba? Kahit pandemic. So napilitan lang po tayong isara because I could not be there physically dahil meron po akong health conditions that prevents me from doing that during the pandemic period, okay? But I'm telling you this, no, para maintindihan nyo na tulad po ng karamihan sa atin na nagtatrabaho probably 8 hours a day or sometimes 12 hours a day, naghahanap din po tayo ng other source of income aside dun sa trabaho natin, no? So, but today I'm very excited, no, because I'm about to share to you a very exciting business opportunity na nakilala ko through a friend of mine din, no? Pinakilala lang ako dito sa business, and nung nakita ko yung opportunity, initially hindi ko po pinansin, pero nung nakita ko na po yung resulta doon sa kaibigan ko, no, I tried to look at it, and now I'm doing this business and also the benefit of it, no. Ngayon po hindi naman po sa pagmamayabang, no, ang kinikita ko po ngayon dito sa business is definitely more than what I am earning from my full-time job as a nurse and a financial advisor combined, no? So napakaganda po, and I'm looking forward, I'm excited to that time na pwede ko na pong i-give up yung main job ko as a nurse and as a financial advisor, and just focus on this business opportunity. Because in this business opportunity, hindi lang po pera yung kinikita dito, no? At the same time, no, hawak mo yung oras mo, meron ka ng financial freedom, meron ka pang time freedom, and that's what exactly what I wanted to share to everyone. Okay, so hindi ko na po patatagalin. Let me share my slides so that you can see this business opportunity. Hiling ko lang po sa inyo, stay until the end of the presentation dahil baka ma-miss out nyo yung mga importanteng information na ibibigay ko po sa inyo, and that will stop you from understanding, no, the whole business opportunity. Okay, so once again, let me welcome everyone. Alam ko po that some of you are coming from different parts of the world. Meron pong mga taga Pilipinas, meron mga taga Hong Kong, may mga taga Dubai. Ako po, nandito po ako sa UK. Si Tita Glo po ay from Australia, no? So whatever your location is, it doesn't matter because this business is global and international. So this business presentation is brought to you by Thrivers Legacy. Yan po yung group that I founded sometime in 2001, no? When I started an online business. And going strong po yung team, no? I now have in this business opportunity, I now have a team of more than I think it's going to 600 people under my team, no? So I hope you are as excited as I am. Papakita ko na po sa inyo yung information, but before I do that, let me make a disclaimer, no? Lahat ng information na i-share ko po sa inyo are purely for educational purposes. The decision whether you want to become part of this business or not is entirely up to you, no? But once you become part of this business, you will have a team that will guide you every step of the way. Okay? So, another favor that I would like to ask everyone, sabi nga ni Tita Glo, no? I'd like to ask you to have an open mind, no? Lahat po tayo kailangan kailangan open-minded tayo. Why? Because when our mind is open, that's when you learn new skills, 'di ba? Ako, karamihan sa atin siguro, no? Sinabihan tayo ng ating mga magulang na, anak, aral ka mabuti para paglaki mo, meron kang magandang trabaho, no? At ganoon nga ang ginagawa natin, nag-aaral tayo mabuti hanggang pagka-graduate natin, nahanap tayo ng magandang trabaho. And most of us thinks na yun na yung gagawin natin for the rest of our life hanggang sa mag-retire tayo, di ba? Pero ngayon, no, wala nang scarcity of information. Pwede ka nang mag-aral ng libre through YouTube, through TikTok, through Instagram, no? Ang dami na nating natututunan. So nag-o-open po yung mind natin to other options, di ba? So may mga bagong skills tayo natututunan, nakakakita tayo ng mga bagong options, and in the end, no, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga bagong opportunities upang magkaroon tayo ng other source of income and other source of of ways, no, to achieve time and financial freedom. Sabi nga ng mga successful people in the world, what separates you and the things that you want in life is your willingness to change your mindset. Sabi din ni Tita Glo, parang ang isipan daw po natin ay parang parachute, no? Kailangan laging open kasi pagka nakasarado yung parachute at hindi gumagana, then patay kang bata ka, di ba? So, let's keep an open mind as I give you all this information. So, mag-uusap po tayo about money. Kwentuhan lang po ito, no? Gaano po ba ka-importante ang pera sa buhay ng tao or sa inyo, no? Kayo ba'y sumasakit ang ulo sa dami ng pera nyo o sumasakit ang ulo nyo dahil wala kayong pera? Type 1 or number 2 po kung sino kayo. Number 1, sumasakit ulo nyo dahil sa dami ng pera nyo, wala kayong paglagyan. Number 2, sumasakit ang ulo nyo dahil wala kayong pera. Type nyo po dyan sa chat box kung saan kayo, no? Saan kayo dun sa dalawa na yon, no? Ako po, fortunately, no? Ako po before, nandun po ako dun sa walang pera nung nasa Pilipinas po ako. That's why I decided to come here to London for greener pasture. And fortunately enough, no? Nagkaroon naman tayo ng pera, gumanda yung buhay natin. Nagkaroon ako ng sariling bahay dito. Meron na rin akong sasakyan or kotse na dinadrive dito. And I can provide sa family ko, no, napag-aaral ko sila sa magandang eskwelahan. In fact, my daughter is studying medicine in one of the prestigious university here in the UK, no. So money, no, is very important. Although some people na mga pessimistic o mga negative people would say that money is not everything, no, or money cannot buy happiness, no. Pero tatanungin ko kayo, no, when your money can buy food or put food in the table, hindi ba tayo happy? Of course happy tayo, 'di ba? When our money can buy you a comfortable sleep dahil nakakabili ka ng komportableng kama, 'di ba? Are you not happy with that? Of course happy tayo. When your money, no, can pay the hospital bills of your parents, no, o yung mga kapatid mo o yung lola mo, no, na ilabas mo ng hospital because you have the money, does it not make you happy? Of course it does, di ba? So money can buy happiness, no? Kasabihan lang yung money cannot buy happiness. Excuse lang 'yon ng mga tao na hindi kumikita ng enough pera para mabuhay yung kanyang pamilya, di ba? Money can buy happiness. But money is not everything. That's true, no? It's not everything, but it affects everything in our life. Naniniwala po kayo sa akin? Bakit? Kasi it defines the kind of life that you have and will have, di ba? Nagdidikta yung pera kung kailan ka pwedeng mag-retire. Nagdidikta yung pera kung ano yung mga bagay na pwede nating enjoy, di ba? Nagdidikta yung pera how much free time you can have, di ba? Pag wala kang pera, magtatrabaho ka 8 hours a day, merong magsasabi sa iyo kung anong oras ka gigising sa umaga, anong oras ka iinom ng kape, anong oras ka uuwi, anong oras ka matutulog, no? Whether you accept it or not, merong magdidikta sa atin 'yan. Okay? So wala tayong time freedom, 'di ba? Pagka wala kang pera, no, ididikta rin 'yan what kind of house you live in. 'Di ba? Pag wala kang pera, syempre, either mangungupahan ka lang o nakatira ka lang sa isang napakaliit na bahay, magsisiksikan yung pamilya mo, 'di ba? It also dictates what car you can drive, the comfort you can provide to your parents, the places you can travel to, and what school your kids can go to, 'di ba? Ito yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Kaya lang dahil sa kakulangan ng pera, no? Yung mga pangarap na yon, napapalitan na ng mga excuses, 'di ba? Since wala kang pera, sabihin mo na lang, ay gusto ko simpleng buhay lang. Ay, okay na yung yung anak ko basta makapag-aral lang kahit sa public school, importante, meron silang matutunan, 'di ba? O di bali nang hindi makapag-abroad, no? Marami namang magagandang lugar dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? But even in the Philippines, if you want to travel around the Philippines, kailangan pa rin natin ng pera, di ba? So money can do a lot of things. It can buy happiness, and even if it's not everything, it affects everything that we do in life. Okay? I hope we are in the same wavelength pagdating sa pera, no? So paano pa tayo kikita, di ba? ng pera. Aside dun sa ginagawa natin ngayon, di ba? Paano tayo kikita ng extra income, no? Yung iba, magtatayo ng negosyo, yung iba naman, mag-i-invest, no? Investment. Pero sabihin mo, Kuya Paul, paano ako magne-negosyo? Paano ako mag-i-invest kung walang pera, di ba? Traditionally, nung unang panahon, di ba? Several years ago, hindi tayo makapagnegosyo, hindi tayo makapag-invest dahil kailangan ng malaking kapital, di ba? Pero time has evolved, business has evolved, even investment has evolved. Ngayon po, pwede na. Meron na mga negosyo that you can start with a small capital. Meron na mga investment, no? Na katulad na pwede kang magsimula ng maliit na capital or even no capital. Di ba, ang dami natin nakikita sa internet, no? Natuturuan ka paano ka mag-invest sa property nang hindi mo ginagamit yung sarili mong pera. Di ba? Basta, meron ka lang skills. alam mo yung mga steps na dapat mong gagawin, you can start investing without money, di ba? And this is also one option na ibibigay ko sa inyo, no? Isang investment opportunity na pwede natin gawin at a very how much, no, you only need to start up this business opportunity. Okay? So whether extra income yan or sariling negosyo, today sagot ka namin. Maraming salamat sa oras mo, pero on our part, sisiguraduhin namin that you will go home tonight or sleep tonight with something to think about, no, to ponder about, something to be excited about because of this business opportunity. Ako po is doing OFW, naiintindihan ko po yung kalagayan ng karamihan sa atin. We know how money affects the life of overseas Filipinos, no? Kaya nga tayo nag-abroad, hindi ba? So that's why gusto namin i-share sa inyo this life-changing opportunity para sa inyo pong lahat. Okay? So, tatlong malalaking platform po ang magbibigay sa atin ng opportunity na ito. Yung una, yung Stratify, pangalawa, yung Tag Markets, at pangatlo, yung Sonic AI. 3 platforms that collaborated with each other para mabigyan tayo ng isang magandang business or magandang investment opportunity in the world of forex trading, no? Isang malaking industry sa financial world ang papasukin natin through these 3 huge platform. So unahin natin yung Stratify. Lahat yan ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo later, no? Ang Stratify po ang magbubukas ng pinto sa atin to the world's largest and most liquid financial market. Introduce na tayo sa foundation ng forex trading. At tuturuan tayo ng skills needed to navigate on a global marketplace that operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Nagpapahinga din po, no? Sa forex trading po, Monday to Friday lang talaga ang trading dyan, no? And at the same time, si Stratify have designed, no, a very financially rewarding affiliate marketing model na magbibigay sa atin ng 6 na paraan upang kumita ng malaki dito sa investment opportunity na ito. Okay? So, gaano ba kalaki ang forex trading? Ang daily trading volume po ng forex is around 7 trillion US dollars, no? Napakalaki po. Pinakamalaki sa trading industry, more than the cryptocurrency trading industry, more than the stock trading industry or even commodity trading, no? It operates 24 hours a day, sabi ko nga 5 days a week, and it involves government, central banks, commercial banks, hedge funds, corporation and retail traders. And most of the time nagiging sukatan na rin ang forex trading sa paglago na ekonomiya ng bawat bansa. Sa under forex trading, maraming mga currencies na pwedeng i-trade, pero the most prominent currency na tine-trade, no, ay yung, of course, yung pinaka-stable, no, yung US dollars. Pinipit yan against other stable currency tulad ng euros, ng Japanese yen at ng Great Britain pounds. Pero itong company natin, no, is focusing not on the currency against the currency, no, but on gold, no, yung AU na tinatawag. AU is the chemical symbol of gold, no, a very precious metal, no, na subok na yung value niya ay nag-i-increase over time, di ba? So pinili niya yung gold because like the other currency, volatile din siya, no, pero proven, no, na long term po ang viability ng gold natin, and of course this is against the US dollars, which is the most stable currency in the world, no. So diyan po magfo-focus yung Tag Market and Sonic AI sa gold against the US dollars, which has an inverse relation. Ang anong ibig sabihin ng inverse relation? Baligtad, no. Ibig sabihin pagka tumataas ang value ng gold, lumiliit ang value ng dollar because it takes more dollars to buy that gold, di ba? Pagka lumiliit naman ang value ng gold, tumataas ang dollars because it takes less dollars to buy the gold. Okay? So, ang first platform or first company that Stratify collaborated ay ang Tag Market. Ito yung pinaka-broker natin sa trading industry, no? Siya yung magdadala sa atin doon sa global marketplace. Isa siyang platform that has established na po yung company in the financial industry, no? They have been operating for almost almost 3 years. 3 years na po by next month, no? So Tag Market is quite meron na siyang reputation, no? In fact, from the last that I heard, we are now, Tag Market is now one of the top 15 trade broker sa platform sa buong mundo po. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin kay Tag Market? Mag-o-open tayo ng account dyan. Okay? Dalawang klase ng account na pwede nating open dyan. Yung tinatawag na 12x Amplify or 24x Amplify. Yung 12x Amplify, ano yan? Yan yung regular account natin, no? Pero yung 24x Amplify, that's a time-limited account. Ibig sabihin, nandyan lang siya for a specified period of time. In fact, dapat nagtapos na yan ng July, pero the company is so generous na in-extend nila yan until the end of August. Okay? So, take advantage of the 24x Amplify. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng Amplify? No? It simply means multiply. No? So, whatever money you deposit in your Tag Market account, imumultiply ng company by 12 or by 24 at yun ang magiging trading capital gagamitin ni Tag Market in the global marketplace, no? So ibig sabihin mas malaki at mas malaki ang ma-generate na trading profits niya, di ba? So again, valid lang po yung 24x until August po. So for example, dito po sa Tag Market, you can start for a minimum for as small as $10, pwede ka na mag-start, no? Tapos up to unlimited yan kung magkano yung gusto mo ilagay dyan. Pero ang importante, $10 lang, pwede ka na makapagsimula. So let's say you decided to start with $10. I-multiply mo yan by 12, di meron na si Tag Market na $120 na trading capital, no? Pagka minultiply mo naman yan ng 24x, no? Dahil yun ang inopen mo account, magiging 240, no? Now sa trading, the small trading capital, no, yields small profit, no? Ang medium trading capital will yield medium trading profits, di ba? Pero pag large yung capital mo, mas malaki din yung magiging trading profits natin. Ganun lang po yan kasimple, no? Pero we always advise people to only invest what you can emotionally afford to lose, no? Dahil pagdating po sa trading, meron pong risk involved. Pero ang maganda po kay Tag Market, no? Calculated risk po ang gagawin natin. Ibig sabihin, meron ng mga mitigating measures ang company na ginawa para ma-reduce yung risk natin. Kaya nga magkakaroon tayo ng peace of mind na hindi biglang mawawala yung capital natin, unlike other platforms na anytime, no, you can lose the whole amount of your investment, di ba? So dito merong mga measures na ginawa yung company to lessen or reduce the risk. Okay? Question is, do you have to trade yourself? If you want to, of course you can, no? Pero yung trading po kasi has also evolved na, no? Hindi, kung before, kailangan mo mag-monitor 24 hours a day, yung karamihan pa hindi na natutulog para ma-monitor nila yung up and down nung mga tinitrade nila, no? Ngayon po, nauso na po yung mga AI robot trading, no? Pero meron din tinatawag na copy trading, no? Which will reduce the stress of monitoring it 24 hours a day, no? Dahil copy trading lang. So in this particular trading, we will make our money work for us. Hindi tayo mismo yung magte-trade, no? We will let the master traders do the trading for us. At yun po yung papakilala kong platform later sa inyo, no? Pero dito sa copy trading, there's no trading experience required. Kaya lahat po tayo qualified, no? Now, how do you start, no? If you want to learn the trading yourself, nandyan po yung Tag Academy natin. Meron po mga free videos dyan from the master traders. Tuturuan po kayo kung paano gawin yan at kung paano yung principle ng copy trading, no? Very simple lang naman po yung copy trading. Ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo yan pagka pinakilala ko sa inyo si Sonic AI. Sonic AI is the third platform na tutulong sa atin sa trading industry. Si Sonic AI is an AI-powered system, no, na dinevelop ng mga master traders natin. So, copy trader system po ito na nasa loob ng Tag Market platform. Siya yung papasok sa global marketplace, no, titignan niya yung galawan ng trading, siya yung papasok at siya din yung mag-exit, no. So, whatever trade na gawin ni Sonic AI will be mirrored in our respective Tag Market Sonic AI account. So, ibig sabihin, kung yung trade ni Sonic AI nanalo, panalo din lahat ng mga accounts natin, no? Kung si Sonic AI natalo, talo din lahat ng mga accounts natin. But, sabi ko nga, no, Sonic AI is a very powerful copy trader system, no? It's averaging from 80 to 87% winning rate. Natatalo din, no? Pero ang maganda kay Sonic AI, pag merong araw, for example, this morning nag-trade siya, no? Natalo. Ang gagawin ni Sonic AI, in the afternoon, nahanap uli siya ng other opportunities to trade, no? And this time, sisiguraduhin niya na mananalo siya. And the winnings will be more than the losses in the morning. Kaya by the end of the day, panalo pa rin tayo, no? Since I started in this business opportunity almost 3 months ago, no, I can count in my fingers kung ilang beses lang natalo si Sonic AI. At hindi ganun kalakihan yung pagkatalo niya, no? Historically, mas marami yung panalo kaysa dun sa pagkatalo niya. So that's how efficient Sonic AI is. Okay? So, it's a copy trader machine. Again, it mirrors whatever trade na ginawa niya doon sa mga respective accounts natin. Okay? So, because the copy trading is a very powerful system, meron na tayong opportunity ngayon na kumita habang pinag-aaralan natin yung business natin, no? So, before kasi sabi ni Warren Buffett, no, isa sa mga pinakamayaman na tao sa mundo, yumaman siya through trading. Sabi niya, kailangan pagka pumasok ka sa trading, dapat alam mo lahat ng pasikot-sikot, no? Kasi nga dati, kailangan mo tutukan talaga, di ba? So, we can understand yung sinasabi ni Mr. Warren Buffett, no? But again, trading has evolved. Meron na tayong powerful AI-powered copy trading system, no? Kaya ngayon hindi na natin kailangang alamin lahat-lahat before we even starts, because we have Sonic AI, which is a master trader or an expert in trading that will do the trading for us, no? Habang naghihintay lang tayo, no? So, magte-trade siya ng Monday to Friday, tapos maghihintay lang tayo, no? Kung magkano yung trading profit nung mga accounts natin, no? At pwede na natin kabigin yan, di ba? So, tingnan natin yung efficiency ni Sonic AI, yung credentials niya based on this monthly analytics. In year 2024 alone, positive, no? From 1.12 to 1.17. In year 2025, the whole year, positive. Merong mga ups and downs, no? Pero ang maganda dyan, walang negative, no? Hindi natalo, no? For the whole year. And ganun din po for 2026, no? Merong mga ilang days na natalo, pero generally, no, panalo po ang Sonic AI when it comes to forex trading. In fact, you can verify that if you Google it, no? Public verified po na ang Sonic AI, meron siyang mga 3 to 5% weekly gains, and even more than that ngayong 2026 po. So, let's go back to Stratify, no? Kay Tag Market at Sonic AI, meron na tayong opportunity para kumita araw-araw, Monday to Friday, through what we call the trading profits, no? Again, small trading capital, small profit, medium trading capital, medium profit, and large trading capital will yield large trading profits, di ba? Pero, no, kung doon mo lang gustong mag-focus, no, gusto mo lang ng trading profits, fine. Pero si Stratify will also give you an opportunity para kumita pa ng additional income in some other ways, no? Nag-develop siya ng isang napaka financially rewarding na affiliate marketing model. Ito yung growth plan ng company, which will give you 6 different ways to make money in this business. Unang-una, yung pinaliwanag ko kanina, yung trading profits, no? Pangalawa, meron ditong profit sharing. Pangatlo, yung trading lot commissions. Pang-apat, yung leader pools. Panglima, yung CPA earnings. Pang-anim ay yung mga incentives na binibigay ng company. No? Isa-isahin natin yan. No? Again, with trading, dito sa Stratify, meron tayong tinatawag na referral system, influencer program. No? Anong gagawin natin? Magre-refer lang tayo. Magre-refer. No? Babayaran tayo based on two kinds of referral. Meron tinatawag na direct referrals, meron din tinatawag na indirect referral. Sino yung mga direct referral? Yung ikaw mismo ang nag-refer. Ikaw mismo yung nag-sponsor. Ikaw mismo yung nag-invite, no? Whatever term na gusto mong gamitin, no? Pasok yan dun sa refer o yung referral system natin. Okay? So, sino ngayon yung indirect referral? Di yung indirect referral, yung hindi ikaw nag-refer. Pero ni-refer ng ni-refer mo. At ni-refer ng ni-refer ng ni-refer mo. Ni-refer ng ni-refer ng ni-refer ng ni-refer ng ni-refer ng ni-refer mo. So these people, no, can be anywhere in the world. Sabi ko kanina when I was starting, di ba? I now have around 600 people in my team, no? Sa tingin nyo, kilala ko ba lahat yung 600 people na yon? Never. Siguro may bilang ko lang sa kamay ko yung kakilala ko doon, no? But the rest of them, I don't know them. I don't know where they are, no? Hindi ko alam kung nasang lupalop sila ng mundo. They may be in Hong Kong, in Dubai, in the Philippines, in Australia, no? In the US, no? So, meron na akong international business, di ba? So, let's talk about the 6 different ways to earn. Una, yung trading profit, no? Pangalawa, yung profit sharing natin, up to 10 levels yan. Sabi ko nga, direct and indirect referrals, babayaran tayo up to 10 levels. Tapos meron tayong lot commission na tinatawag, which we are getting paid dollar per lot up to 10 levels din, no? Tapos number 4, leader pool 1 and 2. Profit sharing din po yan, pero merong mga requirements for us to become part of it. Tapos number 5, yung CPA earnings or cost per acquisition earning, and lastly, yung 6 incentive. Isa-isahin po natin ngayon para mas maintindihan natin. Let's talk about the trading profits. Ito yung kinikita natin araw-araw kay Tag Market at Sonic AI. Pagpasok at paglabas ni Sonic AI doon sa global marketplace after trading, kumita na tayo ng trading profits. Depende kung magkano yung dineposit or investment mo. Pero out of your trading profits, ang mapupunta sa inyo ay 70% nun. So kung ang trading profit mo for this day ay $10, magkano mapupunta sa atin? Di $7. Okay? So, anong gagawin? Anong pwede natin gawin doon sa $7? Yung $7, pwede mo nang i-withdraw. Ilagay mo ngayon sa bank account mo, i-transfer mo sa GCash mo, pwede. No? O transfer mo sa crypto wallet mo, pwede rin. Okay? Pero, pwede rin natin siyang i-reinvest. Ang tawag doon compounding. Dinadagdag uli siya doon sa trading capital mo para next trading, mas malaki na yung pera na magagamit niya. Mas malaki din ang magiging trading profit mo on the next day. Okay? So, compounding po ang tawag dyan. Kayo po magdidesisyon kung gusto nyong i-withdraw o gusto nyong i-reinvest ulit. Okay? So, again, yan po yung 70%. Saan mapupunta ngayon yung $3 out of the $10? 5% po mapupunta doon sa nagtrabaho para sa atin. Kanino? Kay Sonic AI. Di ba? Yung nag-develop ng Sonic AI. An powerful system, di ba? Kaya nga sinasabi ko, di ba? We're making the money work for us. So, binayaran lang natin yung Sonic AI. 5% lang. Saan napunta ngayon yung 25%? Yung 25%, ibabalik uli sa Stratify. Hahati-hatiin yan ngayon sa ating lahat. So, ibig sabihin, part of that will still go back to you. Pero hindi lang sa'yo, but to the rest of the team and the community. Papakita ko yan dun sa susunod na slide natin. Okay? Malinaw po ba yung trading profits natin? This is what we earn every day. You get 70%, 5% to Sonic AI, and 25% back to the Stratify community. Okay? Let's give you an example para meron kayong idea kung magkano ba yung potentially pwedeng kitain ng investment or ng deposit nyo. Okay? Again, as small as $10, pwede ka na magsimula. Pero I cannot show you the, siguro, pag alam nyo na yung potential income nyo sa malaki, alam nyo na rin na magiging potential income nyo sa $10, no? I think, sa $10, kikita ka ng mga 0.5 cents, no? on a daily basis. 0.5 cents daily. Okay? So, paano kung meron kang $5,000 na dineposit or in-invest, no? So, depende kung 12 times amplify yung 12x amplify yung account mo o 24x amplify yung account mo. Pag $5,000, i-multiply by what? Sa 12x account by 12, no? So, meron kang $60,000 na trading portfolio, okay? O trading capital. So, pag tinrade yan ngayon, tapos binawas yung 30% ng trading profits sa buong buwan, ito yung potential na pwede mong kitain, $323 sa $5,000 na investment. Okay? Pero pag 24x yung account mo, ang $5,000 mo magiging $120,000 na trading portfolio. Ang pwedeng kitain ng $5,000 mo buwan-buwan after the 30% is deducted ay $647 po monthly. Ang question ko sa inyo, kung ilalagay mo yung $5,000 mo sa bangko, kikita ba siya ng $647 buwan-buwan? Malamang sa hindi, di ba? Kasi sa bangko, swerte ka na kung kumita ng 2% yan, di ba? So, napakalaki po ng difference, no? E paano kung meron ka pang mas malaking capital? For example, you have $50,000, no? Yung $50,000 can make $3,234 every month, no? More or less. Sa 12x account pa lang yan. Pero paano kung 24x account ka? Yung $50,000 can make $6,468 in 1 month. So yung $50,000, kung kumikita ka ng $6,468, ilang buwan bago mo mabawi yung trading cap, yung ano mo, yung investment mo? 6,468 in less than 8 months, no? 8 months lang nabawi mo na yung deposit mo, no? And then the rest will be trading profits para po sa atin. Okay? So it all depends on how much you put in your trade market or Sonic account. You have the full freedom kung magkano ang dito kay Stratify, kay Tag Market, kay Sonic AI, wala kang kailangang billing package, no? Walang registration fee, and you are in total control kung magkano ang gusto mong ilagay doon sa sarili mong account. Alright? Now, pangalawang paraan ng pagkita, yung profit sharing na tinatawag na up to 10 levels, no? Naalala nyo yung 25%, no, doon sa trading profit nyo, babalik dito ngayon yon, no? Babayaran tayo ngayon ng 2.5% profit sharing up to the 10 levels. Direct and indirect referral. Si A, yung direct referral mo. Si B hanggang sa J ay mga indirect referrals mo na yan dahil hindi mo nakakilala yung mga tao na yan at hindi mo alam kung nasang lupalop sila ng mundo, no? Dito lang, para mag-qualify ka sa profit sharing, dapat meron kang minimum na $100 deposit. So, hindi na $10, no? Kailangan meron kang at least $100 na deposit dun sa Tag Market account mo or dun sa Sonic AI account mo. Okay? So, pag meron ka ng $100, automatic, yung first 3 levels, unlock na kagad yan. Regardless kung ilan yung direct referrals mo. Ibig sabihin, kikita ka na ng 2.5% from the first level up to the third level. Ngayon, from the 4th to the 10th level, para kumita ka dyan, kailangan matapat yan din yan ng number ng direct referrals mo. Anong ibig sabihin? Para kumita ka sa 4th level, kailangan 4 yung direct referrals mo. Para kumita ka sa 10th level, kailangan 10 din yung direct referrals mo. Malinaw po ba? Okay? So, dalawang requirement. $100 minimum sa Tag Market na Sonic AI account. Tapos from the 4th level up to the 10th level, para kumita ka, kailangan the same number ng direct referrals mo. Right? So, yan po yung profit sharing natin. So, trading profits every day, profit sharing every week. Binabayaran po ito ng company sa atin. Okay, let me show you an overview of the profit share. No, every month yan from 19th July up to the 25th July, no. So up to the 9th level lang itong makikita nyo dito. Ibig sabihin, no, siyam lang yung direct referrals na merong deposit diyan, okay? So makikita nyo dito yung mga connected accounts, ilan yung tao sa first level mo at dun sa hanggang sa 9th level mo. Makikita mo yung mga deposits, tapos ito yung trading profits, tapos kukunin mo yung 2.5% niyan, ito yung total income mo sa first level mo. second level mo, hanggang 9th level mo. In total, magkano yung naging total? $703 weekly income. Okay? That's on top of the trading profits na binabayaran on a daily basis. Malinaw po ba? Okay, so yan po yung profit share natin. Number 3, lot commissions. Okay? Lot is a unit of measurement, no? Pagdating po dito sa trading, no? Parang sa science po meron tayong milliliter, liter, 'di ba? Merong kilograms, merong grams. Sa forex po meron din silang unit, no? Tinatawag nila na lot, which represents sa standard lot, no, ay mga 100,000 units per 100,000 units of currency kung tawagin nila, no. So every time na magte-trade, no, at mag-exit si Sonic AI, meron tinatawag na broker's fee yan, no. Usually for every 2 standard lot, $14 po yung binabayad dyan. So ang gagawin doon sa $14, yung $8.50 doon, ibabalik uli doon sa community. Ano yung community? Yung network, yung team. Up to 10 levels uli ang babayaran sa atin. Pero this time, hindi na 2.5%, no? $2 po ang babayaran sa first levels mo, yung direct referrals mo. Okay? Tapos $1.5 sa second level, $1 sa first, sa third and fourth level, 0.5 naman hanggang sa mula sa 5th hanggang sa 10th level, ang total po niyan lahat $8.50. Okay? So hinati-hati lang po into 10 levels. Okay? Again, dito po meron kailangan din mag-qualify ka, no? Kailangan meron ka ding $100 na minimum deposit doon sa Sonic AI or Tag Market account mo. Right? So yan po yung third way to earn. Weekly din po yung binabayaran ng company. And then we have the Leader Pool 1 bonus. Okay. Para mag-qualify ka naman dito sa Leader Pool 1 bonus, kailangan umabot ng $500,000 yung total deposit ng buong grupo mo. Hindi lang sa'yo. Okay? Yung account ng buong grupo mo, regardless whether first level yan or hanggang 10th level yan, kailangan pag umabot siya ng $500,000, magkakaroon ka na ng 1 share doon sa Leader Pool na yan. Okay? So, meron ka ng 1 share. Hindi natin makakalculate kung magkano yan because it all depends on the trading profits at doon sa deposit, total deposit ng buong grupo mo. Leader Pool 2 bonus, no? Dito naman, pag umabot ng $1 million yung total deposit ng buong grupo mo, you will have another share. So kung na-reach mo yung 1 million, meron ka ng 1 share sa Leader Pool 1 bonus, meron ka pang share doon sa Leader Pool bonus 2 natin. Right? And next, yung tinatawag na CPA earnings or cost per acquisition earnings na binabayaran naman sa atin ng company monthly. Right? Cost per acquisition earnings depends on the deposits, and it also depends on the direct referrals and the indirect referrals. Pag umabot ng $10,000, yung total deposit ng lahat ng direct referrals mo lang, yung level 1 mo lang, meron ka ng additional na 1% yan. What is 1% of $10,000? 100, no? E paano kung umabot ng $15,000 yung total deposit? E di meron kang 150. So whatever the amount is, as long as it's $10,000 and up, meron kang 1%. Okay? Pag umabot naman yan ng $50,000, hindi lang ng direct referrals mo o level 1 mo, kundi ng buong network mo o buong team mo, meron kang 2% yan. What is 2% of 50,000? 1,000. Correct? $1,000 po yan. Or in peso, mga 60,000 pesos. Tama? Okay? So, meron kang 2%. Kung 60,000 yan, 2% nun, meron kang 1,200. Right? So, pagka umabot naman ng $200,000 yung total deposit ng buong grupo mo, meron ka ng 3.5% dyan. Kayo na po yung mag-calculate. But that's around $7,000. Tama? $7,000. Pagka umabot naman ng $1 million ang total deposit ng buong grupo mo, meron kang 5% dyan or tumataginting na Magkano yan? Kayo na yung mag-calculate, no? Medyo nakakalula na yung value niyan, no? So, yan po yung tinatawag na CPA earnings which the company pays us on a monthly basis. Next, merong mga luxurious incentives na binibigay ang company. Of course, merong mga criteria yan. Kailangan mo mag-qualify. Pero merong mga travel vouchers, merong mga luxury watches, and even family home, no? House and lot po yan. Which I heard na meron na ring member na nanalo po or na-reach niya o nag-qualify siya doon sa family home na yan. So yan po yung 6 na paraan upang kumita tayo dito kay Stratify. Let me summarize it again. No? Yung trading profits, yung profit sharing, trading lot commissions, leader pools, yung CPA earnings at yung other incentives na binibigay ng company. So you have an opportunity to earn daily, weekly, and monthly. Saan ka pa? Di ba? Biro mo kikita ka araw-araw, linggo-linggo, tsaka buwan-buwan, no? That's yung actually yung araw-araw, sabi nga ni Sir Anton, no? Hindi na dadating yung point na hindi ka na excited because it's already given. Alam mo na nakikita ka araw-araw, no? It's just a question of how much is it, di ba? Sabi nga ni Alex Ayala, di ba? When it grows, it cannot be stopped. Pag lumago daw, no? Hindi na mapipigil yan, no? Tuloy-tuloy na lang po yung paglago. Pero, no, yung profit sharing, yung trading lot commission, weekly yan. Diyan, excited tayo, no? Kasi mas malaki yung makukuha natin diyan. Pero magka-qualify ka lang diyan when you share the business opportunity to other people, to your KKK na tinatawag, no? Kaibigan, kamag-anak, kapatid, kapuso, kapamilya, no? Lahat po, kahit kaaway nyo, invite nyo na dito sa negosyo, sa business natin, no? So, that is being paid on a weekly basis, no? Tapos nandiyan pa yung monthly earnings natin sa CPA earnings and leader pools natin, no? So, a lot of ways to make money in this business opportunity. It's now up to you to decide kung saan mo gustong kumita. Kung gusto mo lang trading profits, fine. Ayaw mo mag-invite, fine. Trading profits will give you a lot of unexpected income already, no? But if you want to share the business opportunity, no? Gusto mong i-bless yung family mo, gusto mong i-bless yung mga kaibigan mo na sa tingin mo nangangailangan ng ganitong klaseng opportunity, then share the business and you will be rewarded by the Stratify affiliate marketing model, yung referral system natin. Okay? Grabe po ng potential earnings natin dito sa Stratify. Not only that, no, in the month of August, meron pong promotion yung company. Ang tawag dyan, yung Sonic Creates a Millionaire. This is the biggest incentive in the history of Tag Market and Stratify, no? Magbibigay sila ng $1 million. Okay? August lang po ito, no? For you to win or for you to qualify on this, kailangan palakihin mo yung active balance ng mga direct clients mo. Direct referrals ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, no? The bigger their deposit is, the bigger your chances of winning this $1 million, no? Isa lang po ang mananalo dito. Isang member lang po mananalo. For every $1,000 no, na accumulated growth across your direct clients, meron kang 1 share. Again, accumulated growth. So, kung meron kang 10 direct referral na meron silang tigwa $100 na deposit, $1,000 na yon. Meron ka ng 1 share dyan. So, paramihan ng share to. Okay? The distributor with the most shares at the close of August 31 takes home the $1 million. Takes home the $1 million. Okay? Pagka nag-tie doon sa shares, dalawa kayo, for example, the distributor with the most new direct clients acquired during August will win the tiebreaker. Okay? So, exciting, di ba? Pagka may nag-tie. So, paramihan ng direct referrals yan. So, yan po yung August promotion ng company where you can win $1 million. Now, how transparent is our business? Very transparent po. Lahat po ng activities natin, mamamonitor natin sa Stratify dashboard natin, mamamonitor natin sa Tag Market dashboard natin, at mamamonitor natin doon sa MT5 account natin, no? Sa Stratify, makikita mo dyan yung growth ng network mo. Makikita mo kung ilan yung pumapasok sa team mo araw-araw. Even their personal details nandun, yung pangalan nila, no? Yung account number nila. Makikita mo lahat dyan, no? So, magkakaroon ka ng genealogy report yan. Alright? Sa Tag Market naman, makikita mo yung everyday trading activities niya. So, very transparent, no? So, sa Stratify din, makikita mo yung calculations ng commissions mo. Makikita mo how they can, kung paano ka kumita ng $1,000 this week, every Saturday, right? So, every Saturday po yung payday natin dito sa weekly, no? Pagdating po ng mga 11 to 12 midnight dyan sa Pilipinas, no? Swelduhan na po yan ng mga members ng Stratify, right? So, MetaTrader 5, no? A very popular app, no? Na ginagamit po ng major trading platform na pwede nyo i-download from the App Store and Play Store, no? Pwede tayong mag-register dyan using our MT5 credentials doon sa Sonic AI account natin. Pagka nag-register tayo dyan, mamomonitor na natin yung trading activities ni Sonic AI on a daily basis from Monday to Friday. So, very transparent po ang ating platform. So, how do you get started? No? For you to get started, you will receive a link from the person who invited you. No? May QR code yan, pero meron ding link that you can copy and paste, right? Pagka kinlik mo yung link na yan, it will open up an application for you. Wala pong babayaran. Again, wala pong registration, no? Kung yung nag-invite sa inyo, hiningan ka ng registration fee, niloloko ka niyan, no? So, walang registration fee, right? So, mag-fill up ka lang dyan ng application form mo, tapos, doon sa Stratify link, sa Stratify, pag nakapag-fill up ka na, makikita mo rin dyan yung link mo to Tag Market. Pagka na-link ka na sa Tag Market, mag-open ka mag-register ka doon, and you can start opening an account. For you not to make any mistakes, magpag-guide ka doon sa nag-invite sa'yo, or magpag-guide ka doon sa mga leaders above the person who invited you. O kaya, manood ka muna ng tutorials doon sa mga YouTube videos natin that are available, no? Para maayos yung pagre-register mo dito. Okay? Again, there's no registration fee. There's no package that you need to purchase. So, that's Stratify po para sa atin, no? I hope na naibigay ko po sa inyo lahat ng information in the simplest term as possible, at sana po naintindihan nyo, and now you're ready to make that informed decision. Ano yung next move natin? I always include this in my presentation, no? Kasi I want every potential members, no, to know kung paano ba nila gagawin itong business, no? Anong next move natin? I want every members, no, yung mag-member pa lang, to understand yung why mo, no? Kailangan alamin mo yung why mo. Bakit ko gagawin itong business opportunity? What is your purpose, no? Kailangan mo ba yung opportunity because meron kang project na kailangan gawin, gusto mo magpatayo ng bahay para sa family mo, gusto mong makapag-enjoy yung family mo by traveling, no? Traveling sa ibang bansa or sa buong Pilipinas, no? So ang importante, alam mo yung why mo. And it has to be a reason that is compelling enough. Dapat compelling reason, di ba? Compelling, ibig sabihin, it will push you to wake up in the morning, no? To start doing this business, no? At hindi ka titigil hanggat hindi mo nakukuha yung gusto mo out of this business opportunity. Dapat burning desire, di ba? Nagbabagang pagnanasa, di ba? Yung gusto mo talaga, gagawin mo lahat upang makuha yon, di ba? Then decide on your goals. Ano ba yung mga financial goals mo dito? Magkano bang gusto mong kitain araw-araw? Kung gusto mo lang mag-concentrate sa trading profits, magkano yung profit na gusto mo weekly? Magkano yung profit mo na gusto mo monthly? Magkano yung profit na gusto mo daily? Kasi pag alam mo yung profit na gusto mo, alam mo kung magkano yung kailangan mo invest. Di ba? So, identify your goals. Your goals should be SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable or attainable. It should be realistic. And it should also be time-bounded. Wag yung goals na aabutin ka ng forever para mo makuha. Kailangan mag-set ka ng time limit. Let's say in 1 month, kailangan kumita ako ng ganito kalaki. In 1 year, kailangan nakaipon na ako ng pambili ng bahay or pambili ng kotse ko. Okay? In 6 months, dapat ganito na. Right? It has to be time-bounded. Take the training offered by the leaders and the company. It can be a Zoom training. Wala ka nang babayaran, no? Attend ka lang ng Zoom. Someone will do the training for you. Makikinig ka lang, will take notes, no? Hanggang matutunan mo. Meron din tayo mga YouTube videos that are free na pwede mong panoorin in your own time, no? Ang importante, panoorin mo, matuto ka, no? At i-apply mo dito sa business natin. Number 4, make an action plan. Ito importante, di ba? Yung planning. Otherwise, you will plan to fail, di ba? So, it's better to make a plan. Tulad ng mga arkitekto, no? Hindi sila makakapagtayo ng bahay if there's no plan. Dito rin sa business natin, we cannot succeed if we don't have plan. Kasi yung plan, yun yung ano mo eh. Yan yung parameter mo kung magsasucceed ka o hindi, di ba? So, the plan should be very clear sa atin, right? So, kung ang plano mo ay sa trading profit lang, for example, planuhin mo magkano ang investment ang kailangan mo ilagay for this particular month, no? Para ma-reach mo yung trading profit na gusto mo. Pero kung gusto mo naman kumita more than the trading profits, no? Gusto mong kumita ng $1,000 a week sa Stratify, no? How many people do you need to talk to or to share this business to in this particular week? Kailangan planuhin mo 'yan, no? Pwedeng day by day, week per week or month per month, no? Pwedeng short-term plan, pwedeng long-term plan. Importante meron kang plano. Number 5, plan to action. Ibig sabihin, yung mga plano mo, you have to convert it into action. Otherwise, plano lang yan, no? Drawing lang ng bahay na hindi na ipatayo yung bahay na yan. Alright? So, importante, you convert those plans into action. If you want to make a lot of money in Stratify, then what do you need to do? What kind of action do you need to do? You need to talk to people. You need to talk to people and you need to talk to people. Because this is all about sharing the business opportunity. This is all about helping people. Hindi pa pwedeng ikaw lang yung kumikita. Kailangan, no? Pakitain mo din yung mga taong inintroduce mo dito sa business opportunity by teaching them how to do it properly. Number 6, review your actions, no? Pagka yung mga actions mo, yung mga plans mo are not working, what do you do? Evaluate mo yung actions mo. Baka mali yung mga actions mo, kaya hindi natutupad yung mga plano mo. Hindi mo nakukuha yung mga goals mo. So, baguhin mo yung actions mo. If the plan is not working, then change your plan. If the goal is not working, then change your goals. Diba? Hanggang maging realistic siya. Or, if you don't want to change the goal, you don't want to change the plan, then change the direction that you are taking, no? Para makuha mo yung plans mo and goals mo. Z-Ways, di ba? Z-Ways, if you want to go from point A to point B, isiset mo yan, no? Pero, bibigyan ka ng options, no? Merong easiest way, pero mas mahabang oras, no? Easiest kasi walang traffic siya. Meron namang matagal, pero dahil may traffic, no? Pero mas maikli lang yung distance, di ba? So, pwede kang magre-route. Diba? Pagka nakita ni Waze na meron traffic or mga engineering works, no? Or road works na dadaanan, ang gagawin niya, magre-recalculate siya, tuturuan kanya ng other ways but it will still be the same destination, diba? Hindi natin babaguhin yung destination natin. So that's very important, no? From understanding your why to setting goals, to attending trainings, to setting the plan and converting those plans into action and reviewing them along the way. That's how you how you can become successful in this business opportunity or in any other business opportunity for that matter. Okay? So, what do we need to do now? Just get started. No? Every accomplishment starts with a decision to try. Kung hindi ka mag-start, di ba sabi nga nila yung first step ang importante dito. Kasi once you made your first step, tuloy-tuloy na yan. No? Hanggang marating mo yung destination mo. But unless you take that first small step, hindi ka makakarating dun sa paroroonan mo. Thomas Alva Edison created the light bulb, but ang hindi natin alam, no, he tried 10,000 times, failed 10,000 times before he finally got the right formula and invented the light bulb. Imagine kung dun sa 10,000 times na yun, nag-give up siya. 'Di ba? Eh di wala tayong light bulb ngayon na nagbibigay liwanag sa mga bahay at buhay natin, 'di ba? So, importante mag-start tayo. Let's start with a single step towards a bigger future, no? Yung accomplishment ng mga goals natin sa buhay. And let me leave you with this quote from Richard Branson. Si Richard Branson is the owner of Virgin Atlantic, no? Virgin Money, Virgin Media, no? Sabi ko nga lahat ng Virgin yata pag-aari ni Richard Branson, no? So sabi niya, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. I'm sure lahat tayo, kahit ako, nung nagsimula ako dito, merong mga questions sa isip ko, no? Lalo na yung mga sigurista, no? You want to be sure na magsasucceed ka dito, no? But unfortunately, no, hindi ka makakasigurado unless you get started, di ba? So, say yes muna and then learn how to do it later. Kasi along the way, habang ginagawa mo itong business, you will still learn a lot of things. It will raise a lot of questions too. Kasi ako, no, I've been doing this for a few months. Pero marami pa ring questions na dumadating na gusto ko pa rin siyang masagot, di ba? But ang kagandahan po dito, there are a lot of people that can answer those questions, no? Para magkaroon tayo ng ease and peace of mind, right? So yan po, I will leave you with that quote and I hope, sabi ko nga, sana hindi kayo makatulog ngayong gabi. Sana maisip nyo itong opportunity na to. Sana wag nyong palampasin ang opportunity na sinishare namin sa inyo. But again, the decision to become part of this or not is entirely up to you. Thank you very much and God bless everyone. Thank you.
Ayan.
Ayun.
Thank you.
Sige lang,
Thank
tita
you.
Glas.
Ayan na, si Sir Anton.
Yan na si Sir Anton. Go ahead,
Hello.
Sir Anton.
Wow, grabe, no? What an amazing, fantastic, exciting presentation coming from Sir Paul, no? He already presented to us a great business opportunity. Napakalinaw, very informative. Binigyan pa tayo ng mga insights, no? Paano natin gagawin ang negosyong ito. Sir Paul, Tita Glo, no? I'd like to say thank you sa lahat ng mga participants natin na nandito ngayon, ano?